Hello, welcome to the Basics HQ, a place where future millionaires come to get inspired. In today's video, we will explore how to make $5,000 fast, 10 easy methods, 2024 guide. Do you need $5,000 fast? This can feel stressful, but luckily there are a few easy ways you can make $5,000 quickly. You might need money to pay rent, have an upcoming credit card payment, or just want more spending money, like for a vacation. No matter your reasons for needing $5,000, there are plenty of options to get the money you need. Some options are better than others, though. You need to be smart about how you make money so you can avoid wasted time. Let's get started. Number 1. Start flipping. Flipping can be a great high-paying job that doesn't suck. It's fun, allows you to make a great sum of money, and you can do it on your own schedule. That's right. No boss telling you what to do with this gig. Flipping is all about effort. You'll need to spend time browsing garage sales, flea markets, and thrift stores to find things to flip to make money. It's possible to make $5,000 a month from flipping, so it's an amazing option if you're willing to put in the work. Take Rob and Melissa from the Flea Market Flippers. They've been able to turn their side hustle into a gig that makes thousands each month from their efforts. Number 2. Sell your car. If you need to make $5,000 in a day, selling a vehicle is one of the most common ways to make $5,000 fast. Selling your car can be a quick and easy way to make money, but it's important to be sure you get a fair price for your vehicle. You can use online services like Kelley Blue Book to get an idea of what your car is worth, or you can browse around yourself. To sell your car, there are a few options. Sell it to a private buyer. Sell it to a dealership. Sell it on Craigslist or eBay. Each option has its own pros and cons, but you can typically get the most money by selling it to a private buyer. For example, check out the price of this car online. It's a pretty standard Toyota Camry that's priced over the $5,000 you're looking for. Selling your vehicle is a simple way to get quick cash when you need it if you're willing to sacrifice your car. Obviously, you'll need to have a mode of transportation if you go this route, but it's a proven way to get cash fast. Number 3. Delivery food with DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Grubhub. If you need quick cash, using a driving app like DoorDash, Grubhub, or Uber Eats can be a great way to make money on your own schedule. You'll need a car or a truck to deliver food, but it's an excellent way to earn extra money in just a few hours each day. Your DoorDash pay will depend on your city and the amount of tips you get, but it's possible to make over $500 a week for some drivers by using a few hacks. Number 4. Become a virtual assistant. If you're looking for ways to make money with an hourly pay, working as a virtual assistant can be a great option. With this side hustle, you'll get paid to complete a variety of tasks like posting on social media platforms, updating website content, and sending and responding to emails. The amount of money you can make will vary depending on your skills, but it's possible to make anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour. Number 5. Sell online courses. Online courses are a great way to make money on your own schedule and with little overhead. If you're an expert in a particular topic, consider creating an online course about it. You can film and edit the course yourself or hire someone to do it for you. Once your course is created, you can sell it on sites like udemy.com or teachable.com, or you can partner with other website owners to have them promote it for you. How much money can you make? It will depend on the price you set and the number of students that enroll in your course, but it's possible to make a few $1,000s per month with online courses. Number 6. Fundraise $5,000. While this might not be the most attractive way to make $5,000 fast, it's sure effective. By using a platform like GoFundMe, you can fundraise $5,000 quickly from friends, family, and peers who want to help you out. The platform makes it easy to set up a campaign and share it with your network, and you can usually get it up and running within an hour or so. Just be sure to have a clear purpose for the money you're raising, and be sure to keep people updated on your progress. How quickly can you raise $5,000? It will depend on the size of your network and how much they're willing to donate, but it's possible to raise $5,000 in less than a week with a large enough network. 7. Do yard work to make $5,000 fast. Yard work and other odd jobs can be a great way to make $5,000 fast for many people. There are a variety of websites like TaskRabbit that allow you to easily search for jobs in your area. You can expect to make $10 to $20 an hour for most jobs, so it's possible to make $500 to $1,000 a week. If you want to make more money, it's a good idea to work directly with customers. Some landscaping jobs can pay a few $1,000s for a few days of work. You can offer your services on social media platforms like the Nextdoor app to work directly with people in your area. Number 8. Rent things out. Do you have a car that you don't use? Or perhaps a lawnmower that doesn't get use? These items can be rented out to make money quickly. There are plenty of things you can rent to make money, but some of the most popular items include cars, RVs, trailers, lawnmowers, trucks, 3D printers, drones. The amount of money you can make will depend on the items you're renting and your location. It's possible to make $500 a day renting some things. Number 9. Sell items online. If you have some extra items lying around the house, you can make money by selling them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This is a great way to declutter your home and earn some extra money at the same time. While you'll need to find some valuable items to reach your goal, there's a good chance you have them if you look hard enough. For example, antiques, electronics, and musical instruments can all be worth a significant amount. You'll also want to check for Beanie Babies, old Disney VHS tapes, and some Pokemon cards. You'll be surprised how much these can be worth. Number 10. Make quick money delivering groceries. If you have a car and a driver's license, you can make money pretty quickly by delivering groceries with Instacart. The best part is that you can work as much or as little as you want, just like with DoorDash or other delivery apps. The amount of money you can make when you deliver groceries will depend on the city you live in. Some users have reported making $500 a week with Instacart, which is a good income when you deliver groceries. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and share it with friends and family.